Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2023 CFMoto 650 Adventura. This little sport touring bike just arrived with only 12,600 miles. Beautiful condition, fuel injected, liquid cooled, twin cylinder, ABS brakes. It's got the touring bags. They're locking removable side cases. Beautiful condition with a nice windshield. It's got front running lights for those foggy nights. Come on by and make your adventure touring commuter dreams come true for only $39.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.